Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Harbour Square, a charming area nestled in the heart of Toronto, Ontario, right along the scenic waterfront of Lake Ontario. This vibrant location is known for its stunning views of the lake and the Toronto Islands, making it a favorite spot for both locals and visitors. Harbour Square is part of the bustling Harbourfront Centre, a cultural hub that offers a variety of activities and events throughout the year. The area is rich in history, having played a significant role in the development of Toronto as a major port city. In the past, this area was a bustling center for trade and transportation, and today it continues to be a vital part of the city's waterfront. As you explore Harbour Square, you'll find beautifully landscaped gardens, walking paths, and plenty of benches where you can sit and enjoy the view. The area is perfect for a leisurely bike ride with its smooth paths and scenic surroundings. The waterfront is also home to a marina where you can see boats of all sizes docked, adding to the area's maritime charm. Whether you're here to enjoy a bike ride, take in the beautiful scenery, or explore the cultural offerings, Harbour Square is a delightful destination that captures the essence of Toronto's vibrant waterfront. Thanks for watching!